How to sign in into TEMU account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in to your TEMU account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, make sure that you have the TEMU app. If you don't have it, you can download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, open the app up. After you open your app, there you will see on the bottom an option called You. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, there you will see an option to sign in/register. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, so let me show you what it should look like. This is what it should look like. All you need to do is continue with your email or your Facebook or your Google or even your Apple account. You can also create an account with your mobile phone number. So choose either one, and I'll just log in using my Google here. And after you type in your email and password, you'll get logged in into your account. And this is what it will look like. It will show you your username on the top left and you're basically logged in. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.